Support provided by the Chesapeake and Newport News with chef-centric farm-to-table dining. thechesapeake.org. Hey friends, Jay Sennett. Welcome to another edition of Cooking with Jay. Hope all of you are doing well. Today I'm not going to prepare a full course meal or dinner. Just going to make a side dish, a delicious, simple spinach dish. And I kind of got this idea. I don't know, some of you remember the restaurant that used to be here in Norfolk on 21st Street called Bardot. And Mike, the head chef there at the time, made me a spinach dish that I thought was out of this world. And he never told me how he made it, but I got the idea from him. So I'm going to make it maybe my way, maybe it's the way he made it, I don't know. But Mike also has another great restaurant in Portsmouth. I want to say it's Still, maybe? One of those restaurants over there. Great chef, man, fabulous chef. So I'm going to make this simple, delicious side dish with spinach. It's a sesame garlic spinach. So come on over here to the stove and I will show you how I put this together. What I have in here, some sesame oil. Now sometimes I use fiery sesame oil, like the spicy sesame oil. You can do that if you like, because it's somewhat of a spicy dish anyway. So some garlic. You don't need the garlic going in that long. You don't want to burn the garlic. All right, I have some organic spinach. Put this down a little bit. Now spinach, as most of you know, I'm sure, will wilt down to nothing. Okay, now I'm going to add some low sodium soy sauce. All right, a couple of tablespoons. And I'm going to add some Korean chili sauce in here as well. Like I said, it's a little spicy, not too much. Salt, not much, because you have that soy sauce in here. Just a pinch of salt and a little bit of black pepper. Oh yeah. Now, and you can smell that sesame oil. I love the smell of sesame oil. The garlic, and you want to get the spinach mixed in well with that garlic. Oh, sorry about the scraping there. It won't hurt my pan. But the noise is irritating. So turn that fire down. Now that's a whole thing of spinach. It comes out to enough to maybe you can serve 3 people. Wilts down. This will be one of the fastest Cooking with Jay shows you've ever seen. All right. Turn off the fire. That's perfect spinach. Look at that. And you cook it up. You have those nice pieces of garlic. You can minimize the garlic if you want. And let it drain when you put it on the plate. And that's it. You take it over here to the island. Turn it off. And the delicious side vegetable. Sesame garlic spinach. I cooked it, put some sesame oil in. Heated it up, put some garlic, diced up a couple of cloves of garlic. Put the spinach in, stir it around, add a little bit of low sodium soy sauce, and then added some Korean type chili, or you can use sriracha if you want, that'll work. How much you put in there it depends on how spicy you want it, okay? So sesame garlic spinach. And I love the way this smells, it's delicious. So I'm gonna combine this. I made a bunch of stuff. I have this here. This is going to look probably black in the camera, but it's really a deep burgundy red. It's cherry. I made a cherry glaze to go over my delicious pear turkey meatloaf. Yeah, I have been doing some cooking today in the Jazz Kitchen. I had it in the stove just warming up. I took a little bite out of that just to test it out. And I made a delicious curry chicken potato soup. I'm going to show you how I make that on an upcoming edition of Cooking with Jay. So, sesame garlic spinach, a great side, quick, healthy, tasty, delicious, tasty, yes. And you can put it with just about any protein and carb, okay? I'm Jay Sennett, Cooking with Jay, airs Sunday evenings at 6, starting at 6. It stays up on the WHRO page. And Sunday nights at 6 on WHRO Public Media Facebook page. And you can see archive editions of my show at the WHRO Public Media YouTube channel. Don't forget Sennett in Session, my jazz show, Monday through Thursday nights from 9 until 1, Saturday mornings 1 until 5, and Sunday afternoons from 1 until 5. And I host the R&B Chronicles, great soul music, Friday nights from 7 until 8. Until the next edition of Cooking with Jay, be safe, friends. I'm Jay Sennett. If you have any questions or comments, drop me an email to j.sennett, jae.sinnett @whrv.org. And I want to thank the Chesapeake for their underwriting support. Thank you so much. Be safe, friends. We'll see you soon. Take care.
Support provided by the Chesapeake in Newport News, catering to the palate of every single resident. More at thechesapeake.org.